Hello everyone and welcome back to Study Pickle. In this video, I'll be doing my February setup and I'm so glad you can join me in creating this month's spreads. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post new videos every Friday about studying tips and how to succeed in school. For this theme, I've decided to do an origami theme. I kind of wanted to do something unique for February since I feel like the first thing people think of when they do a February theme is hearts and roses and Valentine's Day stuff. Not everyone is in a relationship, and I know this month can be a little hard for some of those people, so that's why I went with this theme. And for all of my drawings, I always Google search for inspiration. Usually it's whatever I want plus doodle or drawing. Like for this one, I just Googled origami doodle and chose a picture to draw inspiration from. My accent color for this month is purple because ever since I found out amethyst is the birthstone for February, I've always just associated purple with this month. To be honest, when I was little, I used to be jealous of February babies because I used to love amethyst and the color purple. And I also hated the fact that my birthstone, the peridot, which is the August birthstone, is green. As a little girl, green was never a color that appealed to me. Ironically enough, I wouldn't say green is one of my top favorite colors today. I just have it as my theme color for this YouTube because, this is Study Pickle. It'd be a little weird if my theme wasn't green. Funnily enough, I actually hate pickles. Like, when I get a sandwich with pickles in it, I pick them out. I was just thinking of names and I noticed that a lot of people name their studying Instagrams after fruits, like Study Peach or Study Berry, and they were really cute. So I thought, wouldn't it be funny if I named mine after something totally random and it still somehow sound cute? And somehow Study Pickle does sound cute. To me it does. Either way, it's still kind of funny. Last month I did the bare minimum. I basically made a monthly spread and a couple of weekly spreads. I didn't do a habit tracker because it was already halfway through the month by the time I decided to make a new bullet journal. So this month I'm adding a habit tracker and I definitely want to get back into the habit of writing as well as reading and listening to podcasts. I did mention that in my last Plan With Me video, so if you want to check that out, feel free. One thing I did notice after not bullet journaling for a whole year then coming back to it is the fact that I didn't do any sort of self-reflection last year. I kind of did my own thing and never really thought twice about it. I managed to make good grades, but I really didn't like the fact that I procrastinated on a lot of schoolwork and didn't really prioritize school as much as I should have. Then again, I worked all year, I had a job, and I made myself dinner almost every night, so I guess I shouldn't be so hard on myself either. But this year, I plan to prioritize school, especially since I'm getting further into my major. My classes will definitely start to become more difficult beginning with this semester. This YouTube, although it's time consuming, is helping because in order to come out with school related content, I have to do research on it and actually apply these concepts to see if they work. So by having this YouTube, it's actually sort of making me a better student by exposing me to new ideas and strategies for studying. And speaking of content, if you have any ideas for anything related to my channel, whether it be studying or maybe a bullet journal theme that you'd like to see me try, feel free to let me know in the comments. So here is the final flip through and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every Friday about study tips and how to be successful in college. And if you'd like more inspiration for your bullet journal or your notes, check out my Instagram at Study Pickle. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.